Zoey carefully stacked her tall sandwich with fresh cheese, crisp lettuce, and one big tomato slice. As she lifted the masterpiece, the pepper shaker tipped over and released a tiny, dusty cloud. The sandwich seemed to sneeze, sending crumbs flying as Zoey giggled at the sudden silly sight. She laughed so hard that she almost dropped her lunch, but she caught it just in time. Her brother Max ran over, fashioned a napkin into a cape, and declared it Captain Achoo. They both laughed as the sandwich sat there, looking quite heroic despite the messy pepper incident. Together, they grabbed cloths and wiped the table clean, turning the kitchen back into a workspace. They decided to make a brand new sandwich, being much more careful with the pepper shaker. This time, they used only one tiny, controlled shake to season their delicious lunch perfectly. Captain Achoo finally made a safe landing on the plate, ready to be enjoyed by everyone. They sat down to eat, sharing jokes and remembering the funny sneeze that started their day. It is always okay to be silly, as long as you clean up and try again.